Started. Now you can start.
Now
Go
we're
ahead.
rolling. Here we
You
go.
got them all again.
Beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful day. It's called Walk in the Park. Only 2 songs, because my back is killing me and I'm old.
Your 2 songs, Scott, is doing 2 songs. Scott. All right.
It's been a very, very, very long and trying day. Very long.
Which is probably all the more reason to do a 3rd song.
No, not at all.
All I know is I had a horrible day too today, so until I got here.
I'm extremely tired.
Therapeutic.
This is called ukeswing. Ukeswing. And there are no
Ukeswing.
words. So
All
I won't
right.
read it. Here we go. Okay, I'm good. Thank you.
That's magnificent. That was wonderful. You sure you don't have a third song in you?
No, I don't. I'm really.
Well, then you lived up to your name. Two Song Scott. Yeah, to go.
You want to turn me down so I don't pop?